Hello, today I'll be unboxing the Logitech 240 gaming mousepad. So I've already unboxed these two, so my headset and my mouse, but now I'll just chuck these to the side. I'll unbox this later, but right now I'll just be unboxing this mousepad. So this is the Logitech G240 mousepad. I think it's the cheapest one you can get. Doesn't really have much features, doesn't really say anything about it. So let's just get into it. Got my unboxing knife. Alrighty. Alright, and here is the mousepad. So it comes in quite a cool box actually. And that's all we get by the looks of it. And very nice and grippy. So that just sits there. Quite nice. So, sorry, my desk is a bit dusty. So that is the mousepad. Very nice smooth surface, very thin. And it's got the nice Logitech G logo right there. And it comes with a little manual that is a bit of warranty. So, yep, so that is my unboxing of the Logitech G240. Hope you enjoyed.